Hey there. Do you remember the time when cinematic backgrounds were all the rage? I think even now, if you make a personal portfolio or you make a very nice personal website for your business or yourself, it's good to have a nice cinematic view of it, or it's good to have a nice cinematic theme, a nice video in the background, something that's relevant, of course. It adds a kind of a interesting touch, makes the entire site pop out and look different than most business websites, and on the mobile phone it looks pretty easy, pretty cool too. Now traditionally you would need to actually have a pretty good designer to make those sort of sites, but now you can do it with AI, and now there's actually a product out here which makes a complete cinematic site for any business in minutes. So you can use it for your own business, you can make cinematic sites for your own products, niches, whatever business websites you have, or you can provide this cinematic site building as a service and build these sites for other people. And you can make them for any purpose, not just a corporate website. You can promote offers, you can grab leads, pretty much the standard stuff that you do with your normal site. Let's go in and take a look at Cinematic Sites AI and see how it works. Alright, so this is the product. I'm already logged in, and the first thing you want to do is create a new workspace, and I'm going to do exactly that. There is a chat support, which is very nice to have. Click on new workspace, and I'm going to use Technic Force. This is the best developer of product software for businesses, small businesses. So now I'm inside the app, and you can see on the sidebar there are all sorts of different options. Let's take a look at those. You can see there are options like appointments, because the cinematic site that you create can actually book an appointment. By the way, let me remind you, you don't need hosting for this, because this app is going to set up the hosting for you. You can see the leads that you got, you can see the chats that you got, so the chats can be embedded on the website too, plus analytics for your website. You can set up a custom domain, that is, this is going to give you a subdomain on the website, but you can point the subdomain to or you can point a domain to the subdomain and have a custom domain for yourself. So this is where you set it up. Plus you get extras like you get a logo studio. You can create logos. You also get outreach studio. I'm going to find what that is, and you can integrate with autoresponders. And remember, there is an agency level, so you can actually sell access to this product, let other people get access to Cinematic Sites AI and make their own cinematic websites. And Claw Agents AI is another product from this company. I promoted it earlier. It's to get kind of like OpenClaw style agents that can do things for you. So let's get started by building a site, right? That's the most important thing. So new site. And then you get some options to set it up, like is it a local business, landing page for a product, portfolio for you, or it's a custom website. So it's kind of, you can guide it through the development. I'm going to go for landing page. Yes, I'm going to make a landing page, and what kind of website type you want, interactive 3D scenes or immersive. I'm going to take immersive. Gonna take default for now. I always love the dark theme. I really want to see if this has a dark theme. I can't find it, but I always like to use the apps in dark themes, so I'm gonna do that. And you can choose whether you want to put in your details as a prompt or you can just type it out. I think I will go for this. So the business name is Thumble AI. It's my product earlier that I created. Thumble is a web-based SaaS software that lets people create high quality thumbnails for YouTube videos that get high click-through rates, high CTRs, right? Location, New York. Phone, I don't want to put in a phone. I don't want to put in an email. And now you can upload your logo or generate with AI or use the AI logo library. I'm going to use my logo from my computer. I have my company logo here. I don't want to actually find the product logo itself. It's too much work, but I'm going to grab this logo and use that instead. So this is the logo. Click on continue now. And you've got two options again to create this website. Quick mode, which will kind of do things in an autopilot and just make it happen today, immediately. Or you can actually put in more details, have some more extra work done, and it takes a little bit longer. Now I'm doing a review. Obviously I don't want to wait long, so I'm going to just take quick mode, and I'm going to be okay with the free subdomain Thumble AI that's already suggested. So click on continue. And what do you want to use it for? Do you want to generate leads? You want to make it AI friendly, so AI assistants can start parse it. You want to make it SEO friendly or not, I would absolutely recommend you always keep these things on. Now, if you are selling a service, right, or if you're selling a high value product, you might also want to book appointments. I will leave that alone because I'm already grabbing leads here. Now, do you want to have a chatbot on the page? I think I will definitely keep that. And you can name the chatbot. So I would call it Thambi for whatever reasons. And do you want to make a thumbnail? All right. Again, guys, I hope you like this demo. You keep watching me for some time and you watch more of my walkthroughs and demos. What I do different is I actually use the product in front of you. I show you what it looks like, how it actually works, and that is something valuable. Most people kind of don't do that. So if you're looking for digital marketing products, you need to subscribe to me. You need to watch my walkthroughs because I think this is one of the few authentic sources where you get to know actually what the product does, right? So on that note, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, drop me a comment if you like my demos and walkthroughs, and let's continue. So again, what do you want it to do? Do you want it to answer questions, book appointments, recommend packages, or capture leads? I think I will switch capture leads on. And if you want to sell something through this chat or through this product, you can actually do that. Put in your PayPal email, you will need to put in your PayPal client ID, and you will need to make offers. So you can put in like, offer one line price and one line pitch for it, like a call to action, and you can add multiple packages like that. I'm going to leave this alone because I'm not prepared for that. So click on generate site, and now it's understanding my business, kind of finding details about it. So here is a little timer that shows how much time you can expect this to take. So 3 minutes. Actually, it took just a few seconds. It's nearly done because I think my product is a simple product. Now it says queued for generation 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm going to wait. You can head over to sites to watch the live build status. So let's go to sites. So queued 0%. It's not ready yet. It's already 15%. For some reason, it's already being generated. That's great. So you can see the leads here, you can see the appointments, analytics, all those things that I told you about, they're visible over here, right? And you can delete it. So I'm gonna actually stop this video, pause, and come back when the site is 100% generated. All right, this is live. So let's go in and check it. I'm as excited as you are. Here we go. Check this out. Thumbnails built to earn the click, and you can see there are some effects, like there is a very nice cinematic background. It's a mountaintop, and there is the effect something is following my mouse. Thumble AI helps YouTube creators turn any video frame into a thumbnail that earns the click without leaving the browser. Get in touch, established 2026. And then you've got a nice landing page. Your video is finished before the thumbnail starts. Most viewers never reach the first second. They see at 1280 by 720 still a headline in a feed, and thumbnails pulled from real updates. You have some sample thumbnails shown as an example, and then you scroll down a little bit. One canvas every format, product overview, key features, integration, security, analytics, support, and then ultimately you get some flowers and you get a play button. So if I click, okay, I cannot actually come to that play button. So it's a nice effect. And if you click on get in touch, that's where the lead grab happens. So get the wait list, it automatically did that. And I'm going to put in my email address and click on join. So now I should be on the wait list or on the leads list. So I want to check that out. So lead generator. Okay, so this is actually a lead generator that gets you leads for any niche. So you can say, I want software companies in Denver. Are there any software companies in Denver? Maybe there are. We'll find out. So it's kind of getting this data from public sites, but I wanted to check out the leads that I got. So I'll go there next. I just got distracted by lead generator. So working on it, it's gonna take its time. All right, I'll come back to this later, still warming up. But what we wanted to check out was the leads that we got. So we have one new lead. This is from the Thumble website. You can see it right here. This is the email address that I put in, and you can see the source is opt-in, captured 3 minutes ago. And you can export a CSV file containing your leads. That's the game, right? So you can create all sorts of lead capture websites very, very fast. host them up, make them look good, and get the leads. If you drive the traffic, that's going to be faster. So similarly, you can also grab appointments. You can also check out the chats. I think I also enabled the chat feature, so you can see Thambi is right here. So I will say, hey, can I make cartoon style thumbnails? Yeah, so ask about the product. Let's see what happens. I didn't give it a lot of information. Thumbnail AI is designed to help you create high quality thumbnails for the YouTube videos that get high click-through rates and so on. All the details are here. If you're looking to create cartoon style thumbnails, Thumbnail offers a variety of design tools and features. So it kind of gave a generic response based on what I gave it. So yeah, the chat features also working on this. This is pretty cool. Next, the analytics will tell you how many people visited you, leads, and also you can see the details here. And it takes a little time to populate, I suppose, because the agent chat count hasn't gone up yet. Let's see analytics again. Yeah, so you can see the details here: live sites, total leads. That's information. That information is here. And now let's also look at pipeline. Yeah, what is pipeline? Every captured lead ready to reach within one click. Ask me to find business plus industry plus city. So you can find leads in various cities, kind of like lead generator. I think, when you capture leads from lead generator, they show up in the pipeline, probably that, right? So let's go into Logo Studio and check out how to create a logo. So I want to create a logo for Technic Force, and let's call it Warm Vibe is good. Word mark, emblem, badge, you got like 4 different style options, and you got a palette that you can choose, 4 different palettes. So I'm gonna just click on generate. Let's see how that works. All right, check this out. I've got a Technic Force logo now made by the AI in just a few seconds. So it's good to create very quick logos for whatever companies or products you're making. Maybe you're putting together a website. You can do this fast. Now in Outreach Studio, you can create the email template. So it can write emails for you that you want to send. And there are some samples over here: cold intro local business, cold intro restaurant, cafe. So all sorts of different businesses. There are cold emails that you could send them to promote this product, right? So in autoresponders, you can connect your autoresponders. It's got MailerLite, Brevo, GetResponse, ActiveCampaign. All of these autoresponders can be connected, and the leads that you get from your various websites can be sent straight to your autoresponder. That's the purpose, right? So in agency user, just you can set up an account for your agency user and they will be able to gain access. So this is how easy it is to use cinematic sites, and I've shown you a sample of cinematic sites that you could create. Now, if you're ready to grab it, I want to give you a very compelling reason why you should get it from me. Because here is what happens. You can make a cinematic site with this, but you can make a business site with one of my products, and I'll give it to you absolutely free. So I'm talking about Webera. It's a very high quality website creator. It creates multi-page websites. It's a good product to create websites for local businesses, for corporates, any sort of business that you have. Let me try to show you some details. This is the Webera website. I'm going to go to the demo. I want to show you how powerful this is very, very quickly. Hello and welcome to Webera. So it can create business websites. Add information maybe about just give it some information about the business. And then you can choose custom colors for your website. So you will see a little progress bar that shows you how much. And it creates the website. I'll show you the website. A sample website. This is from the demo. Thing you want. For example, let's look at this image. So first thing, in this particular demo, I created a website for a woodworking company. You can see that it also creates the images. So you can put the founder image and it will create a image out of the founder too. So it basically puts together a really nice website, complete with images, complete with your lead grab pages, complete with every single thing you need to put together a corporate website. And I'm talking about multi-page website. So it creates multiple pages. Here you can see About Us page. This is the About Us page. Now, this is the goals to help you modify the. So you can use ideogram. Let's create. So and here is another page. I'm going to change the entire section. Here is another page. So it's really a powerful tool, but that's not all. You can actually edit the website using AI. So on the sidebar, you've got this wonderful editor. The style is consistent. It's not like, every image is in a completely new style, which would look garish and horrid. No, this looks like a well-made, well put-together website, which is very nice. And you can edit it using the sidebar, just like a very powerful website editor. It's all in here. And you can get it free. So next, you can get it free.
There is
If you get cinematic AI sites with me. So think about that combination. You can create cinematics websites with cinematic AI, and you can create really good quality business websites with Webira, and you can get both in this special deal. How do you get it? Just buy cinematic AI from me, and you get access to Technic Force rewards. This is my special rewards program where I give you access to my software absolutely free of cost. Every time you purchase, your account is auto created. To get your login, you can just click on forgot password and put in your email. Your account is already created, and you will be able to log in and get access. Creating access to my tools
Hey guys,
is super easy. Here's a
link
demo
right
here.
away, and
You can just click a button and grab access to
you
Webira
can change your password.
and other tools. So again, if you want to get cinematic AI, make it an offer that is like, you know, double, triple the value. Get cinematic sites AI with Webira Pro from me and become a complete website making agency who can churn out any sort of website. So on that note, this is Cyril Gupta signing off, and I'll be back again later with another product review. Now, if you enjoyed my product reviews, if you found value in them, it's my request that you like, and if you want to share to your colleagues, share to your friends, that's even better. Hit that like button, drop me a comment. If you got questions, ask me the questions. I will do my best to answer all your questions. I take them to the vendor straight. I have access to all the vendors, and I will try to get you the best answers to your questions. So let me know what you think about it. I'll be back later. This is Cyril signing off.